Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Arun. Today I am going to give you a trick how to find bond order of a diatomic molecule within a second. Yes friends, within a second. Before going to that, let me give you some basics about hydrogen having atomic number 1. You know electronic configuration 1s1. Now I am going to write H2. It contains 2 electron. So what may be the electronic configuration? If you are thinking 1s2, that is exactly wrong friends, because 1s2 is electronic configuration of helium. So how to write the diatomic molecule electronic configuration? Just put here sigma friends. Sigma 1s2 is a electronic configuration of a H2 molecule. So here is a sequence: sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2px equals pi 2py, sigma 2pz, pi star 2px equals pi star 2py, then sigma star 2pz. This electronic configuration is applicable only up to 14 electrons, that is including nitrogen. Then after nitrogen, this electronic configuration is not applicable. There is a small changes friends. This sigma 2pz will come first having low energy, then pi 2px equals pi 2py. Next move on to bond order. Bond order defined as it's a 1/2 of difference between number of electrons in BMO, nothing but bonding molecular orbital, and Na, number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital. So if bond order is positive, this bond, then molecule exists and that molecule is stable. In such case, Nb greater than Na. Next, if bond order is negative or 0, such molecules are unstable and cannot exist. In such case, Nb equals Na or Nb less than Na. Now I took one first example, H2 molecule. It contains 2 electrons. The electronic configuration is sigma 1s2. Bond order equals Nb minus Na by 2. There is no electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital, so Na is 0. Nb 2 minus 0 by 2. The bond order is 1. Friends, this is the theoretical way to calculate the bond order. Now I will show the trick. Look here friends. Look here, now if a molecule contains 1 electron, then the bond order is 0.5, nothing but 1 by 2. If a molecule contains 2 electron, bond order is 1. Just repeat the sequence: 0.51, 0.50, 0.51, 0.50. Just repeat up to 10. Then after 10, increase the bond order by 0.5. Then up to 14. Means 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. Just stop here. From 14, just decrease the bond order by 0.5 up to 20. Means 3, 2.5, 2, 1.5, 1.5, 0. Let me clarify this by taking an examples. So I will take He2 molecule. It contains 4 electrons. The general electronic configuration is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. So bond order equals Nb minus Na by 2. Nb means number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital, that is 2 electrons. 2 minus anti-bonding, there are 2 electrons. 2 minus 2 is 0 by 2 is 0. Therefore bond order is 0 for He2 molecule. This indicates there is no bond exists between helium and helium atom. Let me clarify by taking this. How many electrons are present here? 4. 4 here, 0. So let me take another example. This type of question will ask in exam: O2, O2 plus, O2 minus, O2, 2 minus. Just arrange these in the increasing order of bond order. So O2 contains 16 electrons. Bond order is 2 here. O2 plus, O2 contains 16 electron. With the loss of 1 electron, it becomes 15. 15 means 2.5. O2 minus means 17. Next 17, 1.5 bond order. O2 2 minus 16 plus 2, 18. Bond order 1. So which have low bond order? O2 2 minus. O2 2 minus. Next O2 minus. Next third one is O2, and the last one is O2 plus. So we have to put like this. O2 plus have high bond order 2.5. By this way we can arrange the increasing order of bond order of O2, O2 plus, O2 2 minus, O2 minus, O2 2 minus. Another point you have to keep in mind, friends, that is, if electrons are removed from bonding molecular orbital or if electrons are added to anti-bonding molecular orbital, in both cases bond order decreases. I hope, friends, this will help you. Please like my video and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.